Hello, right, I'm Biohacking Joe Bains, and I want to invite you to my confidence and courage training workshop. Basically, I used to be incredibly shy. I had zero social skills. The idea of talking to groups of people or strangers or being on stage would give me a mini heart attack. Now I'm a stand-up comedian and I run workshops, and I love being on stage. I can walk into a room full of strangers and take over. And I can teach you this skill very quickly and easy because I've learned a couple of biohacks that allow me to become very social very quickly. One of those is I teach you how to go and talk to 50 people really quickly. If you go and say hello to 50 people in a very short space of time, it will remove all your social anxiety. Another one is breathing. Breathing completely opens you up and allows you, it shuts down your fight or flight response in your brain. So I use breathing before I go on stage, before I perform in front of a crowd. In fact, when I was in Edinburgh, I was doing 2 shows a day. Before I got on stage, within 15 to 20 minutes, I would do 5 minutes of breathing. Right? Very specialized breathing, and what it will do is it will shut down your vagus nerve, your fight or flight response, and when you get on stage you will then connect with the audience straight away. This is a skill I had to learn. So those 2 things I will teach you over and over again until it becomes part of you. And if you do this for 30 days consistently, it will make you semi-permanently social all the time for several weeks. But if you do this for 3 months continuously every single day, it will make it permanent. So you don't need to do those exercises again. You'll permanently be social all the time. So that is what I teach you on my confidence courage training workshops. So come to my confidence courage training workshops and you'll have an awesome time.